because it helps us everywhere. Very good, Vyar. Correct. Reasoning is important and crucial at every step in life, right? To solve mental math question quickly. Okay. Is that the only field where you apply logical reasoning? And reasoning is also of various types, verbal reasoning, logical reasoning, non-verbal reasoning. I don't know how many types. Priyasha ma'am will be able to tell you better. Okay, it helps us recognize patterns. Okay. So reasoning is important because reasoning is, it gives you an insight into various problems in life. It comes handy at crucial stages in life. Reasoning is everywhere. If you you have to apply it at every point in life, and you will come to know this as you grow up. Okay. But reasoning is, yes, it is important, and here in Olympiads we are going to focus on reasoning and come up with flying colors. I'm very sure about that. So let me quickly tell you about some chat links that we have in the chat section. So as you can see, there is syllabus link for grade 3 and for grade 4. Okay. So you can copy paste these links and you can avail these links after the demo is over. And if you will see that this is the detailed syllabus for grade 3 and 4. Payment link is there where you can click and make payment. If you have any feedback to share, you can do so by clicking on this link. Then there is all batch details link where you can get the details of all the batches, upcoming batches, ongoing batches, whatever. And in case you are left with a doubt or a query, you want to ask something, you can always drop us an email or drop us a message on this WhatsApp number. Then in case you are facing an internet glitch, you are unable to attend the demo smoothly, then you can watch this demo live on Facebook by clicking on this link. So these are some relevant links. Okay, you can make use of these links. You can save these links for later on if you want. All right, now let me tell you about the flow of the session. Okay, so children, first of all, you'll get to know your mentor, and guess what, she's already here. And then you will see a short PPT wherein you'll get to know a little deeper about the course that you're about to embark on. And then you'll go on a short virtual tour of Olympiad dashboard where you will learn how to access the reading materials and all. Okay. And after that, if you have a doubt, you can always ask the same in the chat section. We'll be happy to answer. Okay. And after all these things, the actual demo will begin, for which you've been waiting. Understood? Is the flow clear? Show me a thumbs up if it is. Okay, so bright kids here. They all have understood the flow. Good. Now let me tell you that we have with us Priyasha Das ma'am. She's a wonderful mentor, wonderful person to connect with. And teaching is her passion, and she loves to interact with kids like you. All her sessions have been super hit, and children come back with just to join Priyasha ma'am's batch. Okay, so now I'll not speak much. I'll request Priyasha ma'am to speak to you directly. All over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for a lovely welcome. Thank you everyone for joining in. Good afternoon to all of you. And my name is Priyasha Das, and I'll be your reasoning tutor. As ma'am already said, I am a passionate tutor and I'm not a full-time teacher. Though I have a teaching experience of more than 5 years now, but I work in Infosys as an AI expert there. So currently, when it comes to teaching, my subject matter expert lies in mathematics and logical reasoning, and I literally love reasoning. The reason is what ma'am was asking you, right? And I'm so happy to see so authentic answers, like genuine answers. Whatever you people thought of, or you thought that this would be the right reason why reasoning is important, you have just noted it down in the chat box, and I love your responses. I'll be very honest. But then, as a reasoning teacher, for the parents watching out there, I'll just be very formal and tell you that when it comes to reasoning, it's really important for us to start it with the kids really early, as in the case of like grade 3 and 4, as you people are in, for your cognitive development, overall development, because reasoning is not something which will help you only in one subject. It's going to help you in all the subjects. Like every academic topic you will be taking at school, and any kind of Olympiads you will be appearing for in future. But what is more important for you people to understand is what's the real time application of reasoning. We all know that reasoning, unfortunately, is still not taught in schools as a topic. Then why are we stressing on so much? I'm really happy to be a part of Olympiad success, because they have highlighted the importance of reasoning internationally. Now, I'll tell you one very important thing. When you go about doing any activity in your day to day life, you will see you are solving some problems. You are thinking critically that whether I should do this or not. That is also called as making some important decisions of your life. Whether it is what will you wear for today, or what will you eat today, or what will you study today, knowing the fact that you have back to back 2 examinations. Then which topic should I study first? Which topics should I study later on? How many minutes should I study one thing for? These type of critical thinking can be only and only initiated inside you when you start solving some reasoning questions. Because as ma'am was saying, there are various categories of reasoning questions. Some check your observation skills, some check your memory, some check your understanding and analyzing skills, and some also check your maths. So just like as I was saying in the beginning, guys, can you please tell me in the chat box or raise your hand if you have ever played treasure hunt? Anyone who has played treasure hunt here? Yeah, okay. I can see Sharanya, Abhigyan. All right. Others, anyone? Jayashree also loves reasoning. Same pin, Jayashree. Okay, others also raising hand. Treasure hunt is where you search for things. Similarly, have you people ever read about detective stories or seen some detective movies or cartoons? Manish and Medha also agree. Okay, so what happens in that type of cartoons or those type of movies? The detective is analyzing the clues, making some logical conclusions that, okay, this might have happened, that's why this is happening. They are solving puzzles. I saw Nikita writing that it helps us understand something in like few minutes back in the chat. Yes, it helps us to identify the patterns, and that not only helps us in the games like treasure hunt or the books or the movies like detective adventures, but it also helps you in your real time. And this is one subject which, if you're good at, like, this is my very old cliche sentence which I keep on saying in every session of mine when it comes to reasoning, but it is true. That's why I keep on repeating it, that if a person is good at reasoning, I can guarantee you that the person will automatically be good, better, or maybe best at the other academic subjects as well. Because in simple words, reasoning opens up your mind. You would think like, oh, this question can happen like this also. And when you get this feeling, congratulations, you are fruitfully taking the extreme benefit of the classes or the reasoning material you're solving. So we will see some questions in the demo, everyone, how we can go through different topics, and you people will help me as a teacher. So now I will not be the teacher, you people will act like a teacher, and think that if you are giving this question to your friend or anyone around you, and that person gives you the right answer for that question, what will you say to that person? Whether the person is good at observation, or whether the person is good at maths, or whether the person is good at alphabets positions, or etc. Okay, so I'll give you options with every question. You have to think and tell me. Let's make it in the form of a game. All right. Okay, so with this, I'll just pause for a while right now, because we have a very important presentation coming up. Once you have all the details of the sessions and classes, you can ask your doubts regarding your sessions, like anything which comes to your mind right now in the chat. And then immediately after that, we'll start with our demo. Done? Thumbs up? All right. Thank you so much. Over to you, Monica ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyasha ma'am. So now, children, we'll see a short informative PPT as Priyasha ma'am has just said. Just allow me to share my screen. Just a moment, and then we are good to go. So I believe my screen is visible to all. Is it? Okay. So a very warm welcome to each one of you to the demo and interaction program for class 3 and 4 Reasoning Olympiads. Now, as you are already aware, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation, and School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you can get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12, one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can meet our international rank holders for the year 2021-22 on the screen. They are all brilliant kids like you. So classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor, Priyasha ma'am. So you get 2 sessions per week, Saturdays and Sundays. Note down the timings. The timing will be 12 p.m. till 1:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So the sessions will include a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You will get access to reading material and practice questions available in the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And you can also practice topic-wise mock tests for both maths, reasoning, as well as logical reasoning. Now, how to access those, you will get to know very shortly by Pooja ma'am. So syllabus is available at this particular link for class 3 and class 4 separately. Don't worry, all the relevant links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted for you to avail. The fees for this particular course is 5,576 rupees, and it is going to be a 25 sessions course. So fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. All that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera because we do not allow students without video in the class, headphones for better audio clarity. And as you are already aware that, preparation for Olympiad exams requires a little more extra input from your side, and your parental support is also required. So in 2021-22, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now the live classes for this particular batch begins from 23rd of March, which is a Saturday. So I hope you've noted down all the relevant details. Okay. Now I would request Pooja ma'am to take you through a virtual tour of the dashboard. All over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am, for the handover. Good morning, everyone, or I'll say good afternoon, everyone. I can see bright faces, but where is a smile on the faces? Oh, yes. So let me share my screen. Hope you everybody are ready to go through a dashboard tour. Am I audible to everyone clearly? Yes. So what you have to do is you have to just open the window over here. You are going to type URL Olympiad Success. So the moment you will click enter on this, you'll get this page on your screen. Okay. I'm going slowly and steadily that it should be clearly audible to you and you will understand it clearly. Okay, so the moment this page will flash on your screen, what you have to do is you have to just enter your user ID and password, which you will get from our side. Okay, so I'll show you the tour of grade 3rd, right? Because we are having a demo of today grade 3rd and 4th reasoning. So I'm showing you, I'm just entering my user ID of grade 3rd. All right. Make sure that whatsoever you get your user ID and password, you'll fill it correctly over here. Otherwise, you'll not be able to log in. Okay. So I am done with my login part. And now I'm going to show you the entire page. So this is the personal taste. After clicking on login, you'll get this personal taste on your screen wherein you need to check these details carefully that if there are any errors, you can just rectify these errors and you can click on update button. All right. For example, if I'll say that your state is wrong, you can just rectify it over here. You can click it, correct it, and then you can click on this update icon. Right. So I am done with my personal details. These are correct. Now I'm going to click on live classes. So right on the left hand, right next to this left hand side, you can just see the live classes icon. After clicking this live classes button, I'm going to select my subject. So we are in reasoning demo. So I'm going to select my reasoning subject. All right. So after the selecting my subject, I am going to select my topic. For example, I can say coding and decoding. So I've selected my topic. So now I'm going to see my schedule, that in which session I'm going to do which topic, right? Because it will help me out throughout all my 25 sessions, that I'll keep my material ready beforehand. So I've opened my schedule. So if you want to see later on also, what you can do is you can just see on the top, click here to download the PDF. So you can click over here and you can download this PDF, that you can see this PDF later on also offline. Okay. So here is the topics. Here are the topics you can see in each and every session. There are different set of topics, right? Which you can just understand it. Like I'm going to attend session number 2. So I'm going to cover this topic. I'm going to attend session number 7. I'm going to cover this topic. So on. So after the schedule, right under schedule, there is a holiday calendar. This will give you an idea that make sure that you should not miss any of the class, because already holidays are there. So you should enjoy your festival holidays, but make sure that you attend each and every class, right? So that's the reason holiday calendar is updated over there. So now after this, I'm going to show you reading material, which is more important for me. Okay. So here is the reading material for set 1 and set 2. I'm going to click on reading material set 1. Same way over here also, you can download this PDF and you can just go through it later on, right? So this is the way you'll get your reading material worksheets, right? This is complete PDF of your reading material set 1. So now I'm going to open my set 2. So this is the way you'll get your reading material PDFs. So now I'm done with my reading material. Now I want to see my question answers. Okay, so here is a set of question paper and here is a set of answer keys. But I want you to attempt your question paper first, and after attempting, then check your answer keys, that it will help you to do practice properly. Okay, so I'm going to open my question paper. This way, this paper also you can download this PDF. Okay, you just need to click it on the top, click here to download the PDF. So here is your question paper, wherein you can see exercise 1.1. So many questions are there of reasoning. Yes, I'm excited to solve this paper. Hope you are also. Okay, so I'm done with my question paper. Now I'm going to see my answer key of this question paper, that whether I've attempted it correct or wrong, that I can just clear my doubts from my mentor in the next session, right? Okay. Yes. So this way again, you can check your set 2 also. All right, and your answer keys. Yes. So now I have shown you reading material, I have shown you question papers, answer keys, your schedule, your holiday calendar, right? Now I am moving on your worksheets. So right after this dashboard, there is one icon which is worksheet. I'm going to click on that icon and then I'm going to select my subject, reasoning, logical reasoning, right? So there are number, like you can choose 10 worksheet, 25, 50, 100, as many you want, which I want to see. So I've clicked 10. So here you'll get your worksheets, and in that you are just going to click on over here. Okay, I'll show you of any other subject. For example, mathematics is there, right? So the way mathematics worksheets are coming, this way only you'll get your logical reasoning worksheets also. Okay, so you have to just click on take exam. This is again for your practice, but make sure that you read these instructions carefully, that you should not attempt any mistake in this worksheet. Okay, so after reading these instructions, now I'm good to go to attempt my worksheet. So I'm going to click on start worksheet button. So I've clicked on my start worksheet button. So I've read my question number 1. So I'm going to fill the answer. You should make sure that you solve it and then attempt it, right? So now I want to attempt my second question. So I'm going to click on next button. I'm done with my question number 2. So I want to attempt question number 3 and so on, right? So before finishing it, means submitting it, you make sure that you attempt all your questions properly and just revise it properly, right? So now I have done my revision part. Now I'm going to click on finish button. Make sure that you should click your finish button. Otherwise this worksheet will not be submitted and you will not be see your performance. Okay. So yes, I have read it and yes, I have reviewed all the questions. So I'll click on this button and now I've submitted my worksheet. So I'm excited to see my performance. So this feedback, if you want to give it there and then only you can give, otherwise you can pass on it later on also. Okay. So now have attempted my worksheet. So now I am curious to see about my performance. So right after this worksheet button, I'm going to click on performance button. Okay. So I've attempted this mathematics worksheet. You can see the time and date. I have attempted on 16th March, right? Just now. So I'm going to click on this view button to see my performance, that how many questions I have done correctly and how many I've done wrong. I've attempted 3 questions, all were wrong, right? Because I've done randomly. So you can just click on review button also to see that which answer was correct and which answer was right. Okay. So this way only you can just have access of your dashboard and these many profiles you can open over there. All right. So I'm done with my dashboard tour. If anybody is having any doubt, feel free to drop your query in your chat box. I'll be happy to answer that. Okay, so here you have to just log out after like attempting all these things. So let me stop sharing my screen. Right, hope everybody is clear. So if anybody is having any doubt, drop your message in the chat box. Okay, thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. So any doubt, anyone? No doubt?
Jay Shri is writing from where we can found it. Can you please make your question a little bit more clear, Jay Shri? What you want to find better about these worksheets and all. If you're talking about, as I told you already, that you will get your user ID and password that you need to log in. Okay. So the moment you log in, you'll get this page on your screen. Hope your query is answered, Jay Shri.
So any doubt, anyone? No doubt? Okay. Tell me the total number of sessions that we have. Yes, everyone is answering 25 and that is the correct answer. Good. That means you were attentive during the PPT. All right. And what are the timings of the classes? So is it AM or PM? Correct, correct. So 12 to 1:15 p.m. are the class timings. And what are the days? Class days? Class days, everyone? Only Sunday or only Saturday or both? Saturday, Sunday? Yes, Saturdays and Sundays are the class days. So are you sure? No doubt? Shall we begin with the demo then? Okay, okay. So all over to you, Priyasha ma'am.
Thank you. So I need a countdown from all of you. Count 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So we'll get started. Everyone will answer in the chat box. Okay. I'll be waiting for your answers in the chat box because that's the only way we can talk now. But when in the classes, we will make sure that we will actually ask each one of you, will give turns to everyone to not only answer, but also to ask their doubts. And yes, the most interesting part about having the group classes in logical reasoning is that you get to see how the other person has done the same question, because sometimes few of the questions can be done in various different manners. Okay, and remember the game, everyone. Today you all have to act like a teacher and you would be telling me what are the special things which you people will find in the other person if the other person is giving the right answer. I'll give you the options also. So let's get started. Today I thought that I should take one topic. Then I thought that no, let me give you different varieties, the flavor of every small areas of logical reasoning as fast as I can. So let's get started. We will cover some categories. I'll start with the first question. Here you have to complete the pattern, and I have kept my chat box open. Whenever you're ready with the answer, please drop it in the chat box and please answer once. I'll wait and see. Nikita has started. Oh, so many more answers. Mishika, Sanvi, Surya. Okay, Arav is also ready with the answer. Soumya, all right. Okay, Deva, I have your answer. Manish, okay, good, good. Others, come on. Whatever comes to your mind, you can very freely answer. Abhigyan has also answered. Vedika, Tejasvi are ready with their answers. Perfect. Others? Okay, Sharanya and Pranshul also. Wow, I have a variety of answer in the very first question. Lovely, lovely. Anyone who can type in why you think that is the correct answer? I know it's a little bit of task, but please, for the demo itself, do it for me. Okay, because in the class I will unmute and ask you. Okay, Jayashree. Okay, received your answer. So when it comes to this question, we all need to focus on the fact that this entire diagram is divided into four parts. Part number one, part number two, part number three, and the fourth part is the missing part. Now, I can very well see that there is a quick connection between one and two. What is the similarity in one and two? Will we call it mirror image or will we call it water image? Let's see who gives me the right answer. 1 and 2 are dash. They are mirror image or water image, M or W. Oh my God, these intelligent people have already started answering. I was not going to clap in the first question, but you people compelled me to. Very good. Mirror images of each other. What are the features of mirror images? For those who don't know, take a note. Mirror images are when you change only the left and the right. The change happens only on left and right. They interchange, but the top and the bottom remains the same. See, this part is at the top. This part is also at the top. It is not changing the top and the bottom, but only changing the left and the right. So you are absolutely correct. Left to right change is a mirror image. So if 1, 2 are mirror images, then what will be the relationship between 3 and 4? Good. Mirror images only. Now, when it come to mirror images, of course, I cannot select any option which has a pink circle in it because this one has no pink circle. So, bye-bye option B, bye-bye option C. What is the difference in A and D? Anyone in the chat box? What is the difference between A and D? The one who have a very good eye. Oh, that's the answer of the question. I was about to ask you people, if you give this question to your friend and that friend answers it correctly, what will you say? What will you say to me that, ma'am, this person's dash is really good? Okay, the difference of a line. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, Surya, very nice. Jayashree, very good. Abhigyan, very good. Soumya. You people are right. It's the difference of a line. Very good, Manish. Very good, Nikita. Very good. Awesome. Very good, Sanvi. It's a cross over there. Perfect. So D is out because this part line is missing and A is our answer. And what was my question? If a person gives the correct answer, then what will you say the person is good at? Observation skills, good eyesight. The person can observe things very well. Kind of a good detective. We need to have good observation skills for many other things also. All right. Very nice, everyone. Keep it up. Let's go to the next question quickly. So, wait a second. I would. Why is 1 second, guys? My screen looks stuck a bit. There we go. Next. Okay, yet again, like these are just warm up questions, okay? No Surya, no IQ level. Oh, their IQ level is good, you wanted to say. Okay, okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, Mishika has very intelligently answered directly to me so that no one else can see her answer. Smart, Mishika. Okay, fine. We have many bees popping up. Oh my God. Don't you think the person who gives the correct answer for this question also has four eyes like me? Okay, fine. Most of you are right here. So, no detailed description. Only one English question to all of you, please. English language question. Embedded. What's the meaning of embedded? Wow. Arav was ready for this award. Very good, Nikita. Thank you so much. Is there, Mishika? It's not wrong. It's correct. But the meaning, real meaning is hidden. Yes, hidden in there, inside it. Good, Soumya. So we very clearly see this figure over here. Remember one thing, everyone. If you get a pen paper test, then it's very easy to annotate or write on the paper. But please develop a habit of observing with the eyes also. Why? Because if you have an online exam, then you have to just see through it and get the answer. So you will not get a chance to draw it. And for that practice, you already have Olympiad success worksheet. So you can practice online over there. Okay, let's quickly move to the next one. Here we go. Now we change the chapter. Enough of observation skills. Now we need some new talent and skills. Let's see. What? You guys are too fast. But who knows it's correct or not correct? Others, give it a try. I'm not seeing answer from a couple of folks there. Please answer. Deven, I'm not seeing answers from you. Come on, give it a try. Dhanya, I'm not seeing answers from you as well. Manish, maybe I've missed, but I have not seen your answer also. And some people have joined few minutes back, so I give you some time. Surya, Vigyan, okay, I'm receiving the answer. What's the logic behind this number and the alphabet? Do you guys know about it? How is number related to an alphabet? Hey, Deva, what is AB? Only one answer. No place. Number place. Okay. So what Surya and Nikita are trying to say is the alphabet position. Arav, I'm so sorry I won't be able to unmute you, but you can please type in today. In the class, I will unmute you. Promise. Alphabet. Alphabet place value is what the logic is here. Now, can I tell you one thing? This can be a little scary, but at the same time, it can be a little positive for you people as well. Let's see how you people take this news. The news is logical reasoning has no syllabus. There is no end to logics which can come in logical reasoning. Sounds scary? If no, you people are really brave, then very good. The positive end is that leads to more creativity. Just like there is no stop to creativity, there is no stop to logic also. Now, what is the interesting part? Then you will say, ma'am, how would we be able to answer questions in the examination if there is no stop to any logic? By using your brain. Simple. What do you mean by that, ma'am? I mean that if you know that G is the seventh letter, that's why we are noting G as 7, and W is the 23rd letter, then a question when you go to grade 5, 6, 7, 8, you know what will be the difference? The chapter will remain exactly the same. What will be the difference in the question? Well, again, this is a secret. Why? Because I'm not just a teacher here, I also make questions for the Olympiads. So I can tell you some deep down secrets there. The only difference we do here is plus 3 plus 3. That means the same question can be written as G as 10. So W is what? What will be the answer now? Pranshul, this is scary. What will be the answer now? If G is 10 instead of 7, then W will be 26. These girls are on fire. Nikita, Soumya, and Mishika as well. Very good. Good job. 26. Why? Because we understood that what we did with 7 was that we added 3 to make it 10. Similarly, we'll be adding 3 to make it 26 in W. Well, there are very interesting and funny ways, by the way, to remember the place value. Huh? You will not be able to stop your laughter when you know the various ways of remembering the place values. We'll do it in the very first class of our regular batch, okay, where we will learn how to remember the place values. Like if you all have pen and paper with you or pencil and paper with you right now, I just request you people to write G like me. Once like this and then like this. Just write it down in your paper 3 times. It's a magic spell. You will never forget that G is the 7th letter in the alphabet sequence. Yeah, it's a magic spell. Write it 3 times. You will never ever forget it that G is the 7th letter. And I'm serious. You try to forget it. Okay, just like that, we have very funny rules of remembering the place value of W as well. So the other funny way is that, see, when we write a W, we have two openings at the top. So it stands for 2. And we have, or you can also write it like this, that W has 2 openings at the bottom. So 2 over here and 3 openings at the top. So a 3 over here. That makes the place value of W as 23. Okay. So many interesting things will come up in your place when we will do the classes like Ijoti, the place values with the help of other tables and etc. We'll learn all of it. Okay. Abhigyan, you don't have to write G in the chat box. In your paper pen, you have to write it. Okay, now comes a very interesting question. Most of you will give me the wrong answer here. I am prepared. Let's see who proves me wrong. And you have to also give me the reason for your answer. Odd one out. Let's go. And please remember, you people are in grade 3 and 4. Please don't give kindergarten type answers like, ma'am, there's a lot of space in a particular necklace, so I'll choose that as the odd one out. No. Soumya, if you say that B is the right answer because it has less beads, then why can't A be the right answer because it has more beads? Think? Okay, you're laughing. I'll make fun of you people, okay? Don't take it too hard. All right. I am seeing people confused between A and B, but no one is giving me a logic. Seems like you people are guessing or what? Because, oh my God, this girl. Oh, Nikita. Good job. Okay. I hope you are only answering, Nikita. No help prompters from anywhere. If any prompters or helpers are there, please ask them to sit 1 kilometer away from you. 1 kilometer on the left, 1 kilometer on the right, 1 kilometer in the front, 1 kilometer in the back. A and D are the same. Let's see, Jayashree, what happens. Okay, let me check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over here. Total 16 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 12 beads over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 beads over here. And the moment I come down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh! So the logic can be anything. You can say that, ma'am, the total number of beads in option D is actually odd, whereas the options A, B, and C have even number of beads. That can be one logic. The other logic which Nikita wrote was the number of beads on each of the sides are different. So that's why. Soumya also gave the same answer. And Manish, that's the problem. So many beads is not the reason behind D being the answer. You're right, D is the answer. But the reason is what I told you just a minute back. Mishika, odd number. Very good. Jayashree? Okay, fine. All right. Good job, everyone. So everyone understood this? Great. Thumbs up, please. Yay. Let's move down. English language. Welcome to Reasoning English classes. Yes, reasoning is one topic where you will see questions from science, maths, English, GK, everything. Everything. That's why I told you in the beginning of the class, the one who is good at reasoning automatically becomes good at every other topic. I'll give you 1 minute to think about this question. I'll not go fast here. Oh, Sanvi, can you please type it in the chat box? I won't be able to unmute you in the demo session. Sorry. Okay, D, C, I have multiple answers coming in. One minute up. In English alphabets, what will be the third letter to the left of the 10th letter from the left? Now, I'll tell you the difference between a person who goes to a logical reasoning class or takes a logical reasoning class versus the folk who doesn't. The folk who doesn't is not intelligent, ma'am. No, not like that. Everyone is intelligent. Everyone has their own sense of humor. I mean, not humor, sorry, sense of knowledge. But when it comes specifically to these type of questions, this is where we learn the shortcuts and the tricks. You really don't have to write down all the alphabets from A up till Z and then do the counting. My answer is no. So what's the rule? The rule is place value. Can anyone in the chat help me with this? The 10th letter from the left, where A is on the left and Z is on the right. Very good. Thank you so much, Mishika, Nikita. You guys are right. The J letter is the 10th letter. And if you people don't remember it or don't know about it, then I will teach you one quick trick, which is called as Ijoti. What is Ijoti? Ijoti are all the alphabets in the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. E, Jo, T. Easy to remember that J comes in the second position. So 5 into 2, 10. Now, when you know that J is the 10th letter from the left, please write it down in your notebook, everyone. If someone asks you to go to the left, you do subtraction. You do subtraction. And if anyone asks you to go to the right, then what can be the possible mathematical operation? Let's count till 3 and see how many people answer it. Right hand side means what mathematical operation? 1, 2, 3. Mishika and Sanvi answered it. Addition. Correct, Surya. Addition. If we are asked to go to the right hand side, we will do addition. So here the question says left hand side. How many positions on the left hand side? 3 positions on the left. So can anyone tell me what is 10 into 3? 10 into 3 is 8? No? Wait. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6? Not 6? Oh, come on, ma'am. It's 7. You people are absolutely right. 7. And coming back to our same old story, you people wrote it 3 times. Can you remember which alphabet comes in the position 7? You wrote it 3 times. You cannot forget it. Now I have casted a spell on you. Magic spell. Just like Harry Potter. G, absolutely. Very nice. Everyone remembers it now. People are too intelligent. Good job. Okay, here's another question for all of you. And I think in the very first question, I discussed about mirror images with you people, change in left, right, no changing of top and bottom. So let's answer this question real quick. Only 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Only 20 now. Deva, Arav, Soumya, all 3 different answers. Kavya, Vedika, Jayashree. Abhigyan, please answer only once. Surya, okay. Manish, Sharanya, Deven, very nice. 10 seconds. Sanvi. Surya changed his answer. Okay. Vyan, Tejasvi. Very nice. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's be a little evil today. What do we do when we are acting evil? We will try to eliminate the options. How will we eliminate the options? I know that in mirror images, left and right changes and top and bottom remains the same. So based on the second line, I will eliminate some options. That might, see, if I write T like this, and if I see T like this, where the T is completely inverted, T is completely inverted. I understand it's not the mirror image, but the water image, because I'm writing it upside down. So therefore, option B and option D are bye-bye. Now, when it comes to A and C, how will I take a decision? What helps me to take the decision? Alphabets or numbers? What helps me to take the decision? Alphabet or numbers? Am I taking the decision with the help of the word star or with the help of the number 2 and 3? Both. Are you serious? No. This is exactly same. See? You cannot use both. You cannot use alphabet also. Yes, numbers 2 and 3. You see this? This is on the left and 3 is on the right. So in my mirror image, because the left and the right changes, the 2 should be on the right hand side and 3 should be on the left hand side. And that eliminates option C. Congratulations to each one of you in the class who gave the answer as C, and double congratulations to the one who did not give the answer as A. I take my words back. Congratulations to the ones who gave the answer as A, and double congratulations to the people who gave the answer other than A, because you people saved yourself from doing a blunder mistake in the exam directly. You learned it in the class here. Congratulations. All right, coming to the second last question for the day. Here we are going and looking forward in making meaningful words. Read the instructions carefully, everyone. Which of the following words cannot be made from the letters of the word carpenter? Who is carpenter, by the way? Does he help us with our food? Carpenter? Abhigyan says wood. So does he give us wood? Soumya and Arav says no. Very good, Mishika. Thank you for the answers explanation. Many other people have given me the answers though. Surya says one who repairs furniture. Oh, thank you, Surya. You know it right. Okay, fine. A person who makes things with the wood. Perfect, Manish. Thank you so much. All right, carpenter. Nikita. You mean yes? Okay, fine. So I would easily make a word nectar because there's no problem. I have a N, I have a E, I have a C, I have a T, A, R. Fine, right? No problem at all. But, Surya says, and many other people say, that I cannot make the word painter because I don't have the word R. Okay. Control. I was just checking if you people are awake or not. It's because of I. I'll keep on doing this, guys. Be ready for this in the class. I keep on checking if you people are awake. Okay. So I is the right letter. I is not present in carpenter, so we cannot make the word painter from it. Here comes the last and the most important question for you people. And I want each one of you to answer in the chat box. How was the class? I'm going to keep repeating this every session. Thank you, Sonali. Thank you, Abhigyan. Thanks a lot. All right, then I'll literally wait the next week to meet you people at the same time. Thank you, Tejasvi. Thank you so much. Thanks, Kavya. Thank you, Jayashree. Thanks, Soumya, Nikita. Thank you so much, everyone. All right, see you then in the next week. And I'll keep saying thank you, and I'll hand it over to ma'am if she's here. Otherwise, I will give you the important information. That is, if you are, looking forward to any kind of communication with Olympiad Success after this session, you can use the links which were provided in the chat. And if you don't have it yet, I can provide that to you people right here. Just a second. I think by mistake, Abhigyan, I've sent you this. Sorry. Okay, I'll just send it to everyone. Here we go. Here are the links. Thank you, Vedika. Thank you so much, everyone. I had a nice time. You people enjoyed? Thank you, Tejasvi. Thank you, Surya. Thanks, Vyan and Deva. Thank you, Shilpa and Arav. Thanks, Sai. Thank you, Sharanya. Thanks, Sanvi
Thank you,
and
Priyasha ma'am.
Yeah, here, ma'am. Okay, so over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I hope, children, you enjoyed it and you've gained some conceptual clarity. You learned something new today. Was it a nice session? You loved it? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, nice, nice. Good, good. Very good, children. So, Pooja ma'am, you want to say something towards the end? So those who are interested in getting themselves enrolled can do so, because this batch will get up filled very quickly. Okay. So book your seat in this batch, right?
Absolutely correct, Monica ma'am. So Haria, what are you waiting for? Links are there in the chat box. So go and enroll yourself for reasoning batch, right? Hope everyone has enjoyed this demo. I can see happy faces, right? After the demo. Very nice. All right, everyone. So take care. Happy weekend and enroll yourself for this batch. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care. Happy weekend, everyone.
Happy weekend. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye. Take
Take
care.
care.